Lay's Ketchup. Lay's Ketchup potato chips. That's right, we're going to do a taste test on this today. We can't wait. Hey folks, it's Papa Texas, and
Maddie.
And
Aubrey.
Yeah, we just got out of school, didn't we? And well, we're going to have some munchies. And we also got some dried apple rings.
Smarties.
Some Smarties and some coffee crisp we're going to be trying out here. And the main thing to watch is this one here. Made in Canada. Fabrique au Canada. Fabricated in Canada. I speak French. All right, so here we go. Did you see it? It actually says ketchup. Thank you, Tony Patty in Canada, sending us some items. Smells like ketchup. It does, doesn't it? Okay, everybody get you a chip or two. So they kind of look orangey.
I think they look like
I'll show it up close here in a minute.
Little pinkish.
Well, it's a ketchup-y. It's kind of like a dry ketchup on it, isn't it?
Maddie got it right.
Okay, everybody, let's do it. Go. That's ketchup. If you don't like ketchup, stay far away from these. They ain't bad.
I like them. Not bad. I like ketchup though.
It's pretty good. Probably tastes better if I spit the dip out first, but huh.
I thought they were going to taste like ketchup.
They do. All right, these are very good. We're gonna keep snacking on them. She doesn't even eat ketchup and she's eating them. Now let's try out the dried apple rings, okay?
Okay. I'm going to put that to the side. One more.
Everybody get you an apple ring.
You look like a donut.
No, it's the shape of an apple and then they cord it. We could build it back together again. Little limber, yeah. I thought it was gonna be harder. All right. Have you ever chewed on leather? Tastes like an apple, like a Granny Smith apple, actually. Green one.
I can't taste it. I can't taste anything.
I still taste ketchup. It smells like a sweet granny apple. Is what it tastes like to me. Savory.
Smells good.
All right, we're going to do the Smarties and the coffee crisp off, unless something funny comes up. Other than that, y'all have a fantastic rest of the week. Stay safe. Be careful. Anything to say? You want to say bye?
Bye.
See ya.
Bye.
All right. So the camera's still rolling, but I don't know if y'all are going to see this or not, but this is coffee crisp. I said I'm going to take a picture of everything so you can actually see what it is up closer. But we got 3 people here, so we have to put the camera back for her. Open that up and y'all take a bite out.
Ooh, chocolate.
Smells like coffee. Gigi will like it. No, it's not a kid product. We'll get Gigi to try it.
No, Smarties.
I can do the Smarties. Papa's got the hiccups. We'll see you. You'll see a picture of this in an outro. We'll see y'all.
Bye.
Lay's Ketchup potato chips from Canada. Awesome. And then we had the dried apple rings. We had some Smarties from Nestle.ca, and we had some coffee crisp. And this was Lay's.ca.
Oh,
Yeah. Thanks, Tony.